guys, so we're just approaching our generate point. So what's strange about this one is that flies. What's strange about this one is that there's no radius. It's on that trail there. So I think I might turn the camera around. Let us know. Let's go the other way. So I can't really see anything. Something's on a tree here. I don't know if you guys caught that. That's some rough rust. Oh guys, this might be a bust. Definitely weird. Let's go ahead, see if there's any more. Don't know where I'm going. Well guys, I'm going to sort my camera out. I think that was a bust. So, see you in the next one. Peace.